out of the water. Good morning. I am at the cottage finally. We got here yesterday, like early evening, and we got ready, unpacked, and kind of called it a night. This is a chilly day, very different from last year when we got here, and it was like sweltering and the water wasn't high. We had the dock in the water. This year, unfortunately, this dock is not going in the water. Dock at the other cottage will go in the water because, as you can see, way too high. We are heading into town. We're gonna go have breakfast at this super cute new cafe. And then we are going to go shopping because my dad has ordered a pig roast. Amy Lee and I are picking up all these different sides and things like that, and then we're gonna try to get everything ready today. It's gonna be a nice, hopefully relaxing day. I wanna go shopping, I don't know. It just doesn't feel like vacation yet. I think because this weather, like it's so gloomy. I don't know if you can see. But it feels really nice. And ultimately, I'm happy to be here. Walter has a bit of an ear infection, so we're kind of dealing with that. And, oh, there's so many dogs here. So the poor guy has to stay inside quite a bit because it's kind of an environmental allergy. Oh, and everyone's leaving. What? Did you guys lock the door? Not yet. Hi, buddy. How are you doing? We're going now. You can't come. Bye, buddy. Bye, baby. Okay, we're gonna leave, so I will see you in a little bit. This is my secret obsession. I love to play The Sims, and I'm on vacation. How are you feeling?
I don't know, my glutes are really tight.
Someone's got a tight butt.
I'm not cutting that out.
Why are you filming?
Yep.
You gotta announce, hey guys, I'm gonna turn my camera on so Aaron doesn't say things that are ridiculous.
The camera's on.
I'm the only one that says dumb stuff like that.
We're waiting for the ferry to come.
F-E-R-R-Y, if you're wondering.
F-E-R-R-Y, not F-A-I-R-Y.
If you were wondering.
If we're waiting for the ferry to pick us up. It's just such a bummer of a day. Come on, the sun looks like it's trying to peek through. I want. What?
Does that feel great?
No, I want the sun to come out. This is my Sims house. This is what it looks like outside. It's on the water.
15-minute service, more like 30-minute service.
Well, we got here.
It's just a little basic cottage.
So it should be in 5 minutes.
No. So cute. How cute is this place? So cute. Little pillows. Should come with pencil, crayon, or sharpener. Yummy. This is the bibimbap. Yummy. What did you get?
I got some Spanish thing.
That looks good. I'm not recording. Aaron wants to show everyone his coloring.
Very pretty.
Very good. Actually, that is pretty impressive. We are finished. It was so good. We are now going to go back to the cottage, and the boys are going to help my dad put the dock in the water at the other cottage, and Amy and I are going to go shopping for tomorrow. Okay, Amy Lee and I are heading out. We are going to go shopping and groceries.
That is the most important.
Most important. And Walter, poor Walter, is just Gonna hang here like he's been doing all day. But how do you feel? It's been a good first day?
Yes, I feel refreshed.
I feel refreshed, but I feel tired. Okay, let's hit the road, Jack.
Got some good kombucha,
Oh yeah, that does taste really good. Let's see.
pineapple peach.
It is really good. Let's go.
A few moments later.
Amy Lee found the most beautiful, what is it? Like a hutch, like
It's like entertainment, apothecary.
table. I don't know. It's like, and honestly, a beautiful couch. Like if she got it, I'm already gonna be so jealous of her condo, but like this stuff was so nice. So we're just kind of waiting to hear back from the boys. They're probably in the water, putting in the dock. But we're gonna shop around.
I bet Aaron's gonna want the jet ski in the water.
That's true. They're probably playing. The Gap shopping. I found a shirt. It's a good sale. We're just killing some time until dinner. We're meeting up with everyone. But how cute is this? I don't think it'll fit me. I wish it would. Getting a little ice cream break.
Eggnog flavor.
Ew. It's been a while. I'm in Michael's right now because we are doing a Disney themed family game this year, and I'm supposed to make my own ears because I said I would, but I forgot about it until now, and so I am looking for something to make Mickey Mouse ears for Andrew and I wanted it to be like themed. But oh, perfect! Look at these, like look at these balls.
That's perfect.
They're tiny. Hopefully I can find something. Oh, these! That's perfect. I don't know. This is gonna be a challenge.
One eternity later.
Walter, you like the water? Beautiful sunset. The night is coming to an end. We have to get everything ready tomorrow, so I'm probably gonna end the vlog here. Today was a nice first day, not super eventful. I wasn't the best at filming. I was having a really awesome time shopping and spending time with Amy Lee. Natalie gets here tonight, which is awesome, and her boyfriend Jordan. What's that noise? And then yeah, tomorrow we gotta wake up really early because crazy, but there was like a really big tornado warning, and as we were leaving dinner, there looked like there was a funnel cloud, and so my parents were like, okay, no grocery shopping, just come back to the cottage. And I was so nervous driving home, like I was kind of freaking out. Anyways, finally we're back, and I think the storm completely passed us, but there is a tornado warning or watch for another kind of county area. Anyways, so we're just going to finish cleaning up, getting everything ready. So I'm gonna end the vlog here because we gotta do all that. I will see you tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I will see you again tomorrow. Bye.